Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Smart 6 HD, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all text correction options on this smartphone. You need to start by accessing Settings. Now scroll all the way down right away and tap on System. After that, select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. Now click on Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing features are here. If you wish to turn on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!